Simon.
Hello.
Hello. Question. You know, we talked about plugging in the robot over your shoulder. I'm thinking about booking a session with the iOS dev team, try and see if we can control it. Are you up for that?
Totally, yeah. The robot has a load of open APIs that we should be able to integrate with quite easily.
Nice. Can you bring it in?
A little bit of a fun thing, have to come in part, but yeah, I'll get it in the car.
Nice. I'm going to see if I can give you a thumbs up. Cool. Thank you, sir. Just wanted to check. I'll loop you in with the rest of the team and we'll make a plan. Hello. We recently took delivery of 2 of these. If you don't immediately recognize it, it is Apple's Vision Pro, their first attempt into XR, VR headsets, although they're very keen for us developers and people that talk about it to not use the word headset or XR or VR. They want us to use the term spatial computing, partly to separate themselves from the current headset market, which is the Meta Quest and Oculus Rift and other headsets by other providers, which have been focused on gaming. Apple want certainly to set a statement saying this is about spatial computing. Gaming's a part of it, but it's everyday use of computers in a totally new way. So that's what they're trying to pitch to us. We have 2 Apple Pros. There aren't many in the UK because they're only available in America, and we had to get them imported, and that was a bit of a palaver. But we have done that. We have 2 Apple Pros. We've got Meta Quest 3, and we are exploring what place does spatial computing, to use Apple's term, what place does spatial computing play in our day-to-day work life and in businesses? What's the point? Why would you spend any kind of money on these headsets, let alone 3 and a bit grand? Over the next 3 days, we actually have an R&D focus session where we're really focusing on what other things can the Apple Vision Pro do that perhaps standard non-spatial computing technology doesn't support. And as I say, this won't be exclusive to the Apple Vision Pro. Things like Meta Quest and Meta Quest Pro will be able to support this. So we have a real focus session over the next 3 days, an R&D session where we're going to develop an app for the Pro that allows us to control a robot that one of our team has built. So that's going to be exciting. And I think, this is interesting to see how using your hands and gestures and wearing a device allows you to physically control a piece of hardware that might be in a different location. So that's one of our focuses, and we'll be releasing some content about that soon.